I know. We gotta add the music in post.
Like the music keeps cutting out on us.
Because as soon as you film it, it goes.
Hey guys, it's Matt, South Thompson RV. Just got the new 2027 18RR BL. This thing is sweet. I'm gonna take a little break on the back patio. No biggie.
You do that voice all the time, I'd be into it.
So you guys.
We do Vanna White here.
Bing, bing, bing. Just like,
all right, we're good.
Okay. Let me know when.
Go.
All right, guys. Gonna be going over the outside of this trailer before we get to the inside. Gonna show you some of the cool stuff we got on this new guy. TV latch for outside. You also have the speakers that can hook up to it so you can watch movies by the campfire with the kids, all that fun stuff. You do get also the cable and satellite outlet. A couple of outlets for some plug-ins, whatever you need to plug in. This one is the dual axle or the tandem axle. You're gonna get the, and one of the cool things we got in the 2027 model, if it's green, which way am I going? You're fine. If you don't, it turns red, just like that, and lets you know your tire's going flat. TPMS sensor, super awesome, super handy. And then on the outside, under this huge awning with its beautiful blue LED lights, which does not bring in the bugs like the white lights used to. That is one of the reasons why they switched to the blue. You do have, if it's raining, you can come over here, pull this down, it'll drop the corner, water runs off, no water on the campfire, the kids underneath the awning. And then on the front here, under the passway, all the storage in the front, it is a pass-through. It does go pretty much to the other side. You can't get out the other side, but you have storage all the way to the other side. It is also set up Starlink prep package if you want the internet while you're out in the middle of nowhere. And then, here we go. And on the front, under this beautiful case, you're gonna get two 20-pound propane tanks. This one does have the power jack, lift it up and down. You also get the light. And then if something does go, you do have the manual jack, so you will be able to lift it up and down even if the power's out or your battery's dead. And then you do have the battery disconnect at the front down below there. And right here, you do get the batteries. That's where the space is for the batteries. And around this side, we're going to the new Suburban hot water. This is the unlimited hot water. As long as you're plugged in, the hot water ain't gonna stop unless you stop it. Super easy. Great system. You do on this side as well have the satellite and cable hookup for if you're watching TV outside, and the cable connection is on this side. Also the outdoor shower, hot and cold. Black tank flush, fresh water connection, city water connection, and down below is where you're gonna get rid of all that sort of stuff. You do also on this side, right over the tires, is where your power is. Yeah. And then we're gonna come around the back end of this toy hauler, and this is where it gets really fun, really cool. Back patio setup, you can put 1,500 pounds back here when it's set up as the patio on these beautiful cables. And if it is dropped down as a ramp to get your ATVs, your dirt bikes, your super bikes, whatever you're putting in the back, you have a 3,000 pound capacity on the ramp as you're going up there. So pretty much anything you can get up and in. Then check out the awning. It is super cool. It takes all the sun out of there. And another awesome feature is the amount of room you have from the back. And then from the back tires, you have probably about 15 feet. You can literally back this guy up over the lake, over a cliff if you really want to get a little crazy. But if you're over the lake, you can sit on the back, do a little fishing. So as I was talking about fishing, off the back, not a problem at all. You want to do a little bit of diving into the water. Super simple. These open, my apologies, they go the out way. Hook it on, latches there. Kids can jump off. You can actually throw your kids in if you really, really want to. I do. This thing is really cool, guys. And you're super close where all the beer is, all the food, pop, chips, snacks, easy peasy. So as we're talking about how cool this patio is, one of the really cool things with the 1,500 pound capacity on this patio deck, you can basically eat all your meals out here. You can have 4 or 5 people out here, all the food, drinks, everything, multiple chairs with multiple people. The weight is not going to be an issue with these heavy duty cables. So nice. AC works. And you're going to check out some stuff on the inside. Here is basically a full fridge. This one is super cool. It is set up with the off-grid setting. So basically when you're off-grid in the middle of nowhere, it'll cool your fridge up and then it'll actually turn off when it doesn't need to keep the electricity going and wasting your batteries and all that sort of stuff. And when the temperature gets a little higher and it needs to turn back on, instantly it'll turn back on and cool your stuff again. So you're not wasting power and none of your food is going warm. It's actually staying cold the whole time. It's just on a cycle. It'll keep it going, obviously. So, and then down here underneath the 3-burner stove, you do have, this is awesome. It's a built-in convection microwave oven with an air fryer built in. So you can basically, if you really want to, you can make a pie in this thing. Or if you want chicken wings, chicken fingers for the kids, French fries, this basically works as an air fryer and you can get all that food without having to have a full stove underneath here as well. It is super cool, super handy. My daughters love our air fryer. This is the way to go. And up top here, we do have the 3-burner stove. This one's sweet. It is gas, so or propane, my apologies. So you do get the burner. It works incredible. You get the full big burner on the front, 2 smaller ones on the back. Oh, that's not even right. They're the same size now.
You're getting a better cook station.
Apparently, yeah. All 3 are big burners. And over here for the sink, this one is sweet. Huge sink, stainless steel. You're gonna get the glass cleaner as well. So when you're on the patio right behind me, come in here, spray off your glass, get a different drink, change drinks, whatever you need. Super awesome. When you're washing dishes, you do have the ability to spray people just like I sprayed myself right there. Let me get this stuff out of the way. This is super handy. It is a couch, but it also turns into a single bed. Just if you have that one extra person kind of coming with you. Just that easy, throw a blanket, pillow, single bed for you. 1 Matthew, 2 Matthews, 2.5 Matthews. And over here, this does come with the table. This one does drop down, super easy, convenient, just stores right underneath this little couch, single bed that we got over here. And then we will be talking about the massive pantry we have. Huge amount of storage in the pantry here. Cutting board as well. And just one more thing going over this pantry beside the fridge. These shelves do have enough space so you can put bike helmets, gloves, all that sort of stuff for your ATV, your quad, whatever you're using the toy hauler for. All your stuff can fit in here. And then we're going to be talking about the bed at the front end here. This is the queen bed. It's beautiful. You do have the inverter set up in case you have like a CPAP machine for sleeping or something like that. This is also set up. You got lights everywhere. Super easy. You got 2 of these push lights up top here, set up with some outlets, your satellite cable. You do have the backer right here in case you want to put a small TV so you're watching in bed, whatnot. Storage with actual hanger. You can put some clothes up there and actually hang it up so it doesn't get all wrinkly. Obviously, a few extra storage all along the roof here, all the way to the end. And then if you're laying in bed and you want to read a book, you can turn this on. Oh wait, it's blue, cool. There's your light for reading. The toilet's perfect for all the diarrhea you get with the lettuce in America. All right, guys, and then in the bathroom, it obviously comes with a fantastic fan. This is awesome. It opens up, gives you a little vent, some airflow. You obviously got the toilet. You're gonna have your hot water temperature gauge so you can set how hot it gets. You have an outlet as well for your whatever you need to plug in. I don't have a clue. Your faucet. Beautiful sink. And then we move over into the stand-up shower. Perfect. You have this if you really want. Delightful. All right. So to be completely honest, this is one of those trailers. It has basically everything. The toy hauler stuff is awesome. But the fact that it has this patio, 1,500-pound capacity to stand on, you can sit 4 or 5 people out here. You can back it over a lake. You can back it over a cliff if you want. You do have the ability to hook up with the 6 tie downs on the ground for bikes, Harleys, really anything. This is the perfect unit. It's under 25 feet. It's under 5,000 pounds. What more do you need? South Thompson RV, 250-374-4949. Come on down.
how we set it up. Over here at South Thompson, this is how you do it. Oh, and the music turned off. So I'll have to add that in post.